Hey, this is Kyle with ConvertKit, and I wanted to just quickly talk to you about how you can retroactively go back into your broadcasts and tag people who have taken certain actions. So let's take a look at this broadcast that I'm writing right now. When you're writing a broadcast, before you've sent it out, your links can tag people who click them. So if I highlight this link here and I take a look at this link that I've set up, I've checked this box here, tag subscribers who click this link, and then you can choose some kind of tag that works for that specific link. And that's a great way to tag people who show interest in certain things, but there may be an occasion where you forget to check that box and you didn't tag people who click those links. So after you've sent a broadcast, you'll see something like this. There's a report, and if you go into that report for your broadcasts, you see a lot of information here about recipients, open rate, click rate, all of those kind of things. But what I wanted to highlight is over here on the right side where we have recipients, opens, clicks, and even unsubscribes and other things like that. What I mainly want to focus on are clicks or opens. Either of these will show you a list of people who have clicked certain links or who have opened this email. And so here I can see for this link, convertkit.com/pi, 5 subscribers clicked that link. If I click on 5 subscribers clicked, I can see a list of specifically who clicked that link in this email. So now that I know these 5 people have clicked that link in this email, I can easily select a few of them or maybe even all of them. And then over on the right side under bulk actions, I can choose to add a tag to them. So I can say, hey, they clicked on that link. They should be in this interested in baking tag. And then just click save. And now all of those have been added to that particular tag. So you can go back and do that if you've forgotten to tag anyone. And bulk actions in general are just really awesome for retroactively tagging people, moving people around in your accounts. Now, I mentioned opens as well, and this is a question I see quite a bit. How can I tell exactly who opened my broadcast and then send them an email? And a great way to do that is to click on opens here in the report. And now this list is a simple list of everyone who has opened this broadcast up until this point. So you may want to do this a few days after you send your broadcast, give everyone enough time to read it. But once you're confident that they've read it, you can simply click this checkbox at the top of the subscriber list, just like we did for the link. Make sure to select all subscribers in this opens category. And then you can do bulk actions with them as well. So you could add a tag to say, okay, they read this specific email. So that's a very important email for them to have read. So I would like to tag them. And then you could send another broadcast specifically to that tag. And you know that those are people who have already engaged with the broadcast you sent before. So these are just a few examples of ways that you can use these bulk actions and get people tagged after you've sent out a broadcast. I hope this was helpful for you, and thank you so much for being a part of ConvertKit. I'll see you next time.